The all-new iPhone 16 series got launched this week and will be going on sale very soon with some major upgrades, some notable features and few letdowns as well. And today in this video, I'll be talking about one major letdown apart from specs that Apple has not told anyone yet and might break heart of many Apple fans. At the Apple Glow Time event, they specifically mentioned that this time the iPhone 16 and 16 Pro series packaging will be entirely fiber-based. And due to this decision, this time you won't be getting this cute little Apple sticker in the boxes of your iPhone 16 or 16 Pros. But there is a little catch. According to this report from 9to5Mac, Apple is circulating a message to their Apple Store teams which confirms that the iPhone 16 lineup will not have Apple stickers included in the box. And the company has clearly stated that they will be made available to iPhone 16 buyers only when they place a request with the store. So in a nutshell, what this message implies is that orders placed via a third-party retailer or courier partners won't be getting any Apple stickers at all. And if a customer wishes to get one of these stickers with their iPhones, then they need to place their orders at Apple stores and specifically request for stickers. This is not the first time Apple has removed these stickers from their boxes. Previously, it was seen with the Apple Vision Pro and the new iPads launched this year. So what do you think about this move from Apple? Is it a good move or a bad move? Let's discuss in comments. Share this video with your friends who are planning to buy the new iPhone 16 series. Until then, follow for more such videos.